Guys, it's your girl Anna. Welcome back, and if you're new, do feel welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Today we'll be doing stew peas the Jamaican style. Stay tuned if you want to see how I prepare this dish. So firstly, you're going to get your pig's tail, and this is 2 pounds of pig's tail. And now you know that pig's tail is always salted, so you're going to rinse it with some running water first, and then you're going to put it to boil. And I've boiled this or scald this for about 10 to 20 minutes. Once you have completed boiling, you are going to drain the water from the pigtail. And once you have drained the water, you are then going to just put it to cool for a minute because you don't want to burn your hands. And then once it is cool enough for you to handle, you are going to cut it up into the size chunks that you'd want it to be. So I'm just going to cut this into a couple pieces. Once I have cut it, I'm going to rinse it. And after rinsing, I am just going to set it aside. Now I'm going to get my peas, and I'm going to wash the peas first with some running water. And you can decide if your peas is dirty or clean, so you know how much time to wash it. Then I'm going to put it in the pot and add some water to it. And once the water is enough, I am then going to add some garlic, 3 pegs of garlic to be exact, and put it to boil. Once it is boiled, I am going to add the pigtail. Well, now I'm just going to clean some chicken foot because I'm putting some chicken foot with the pig's tail. And I'm just adding some vinegar and using running water. As usual, I've already cleaned and cut them. Then I'm just going to add the chicken foot to the pot with the peas and the pigtail. So now I'm going to allow this to finish cooking until the chicken foot is cooked. I've added the chicken foot last because it is easier to cook than the pigtail. Now that it has come to a boil and the chicken foot is cooked, as you can see, I am now going to get some coconut milk, and I'm going to add it to the pot. After adding this, I'm going to put it back on the stove and allow it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the coconut to be well cooked. Then I'm going to season my pot. Now I'm going to make some spinners, some dumpling to add to the pot. And this is just adding some flour and a bit of salt and knead it into a dough. Then we just roll it. And once they are rolled, you can just add it to the bubbling pot. And then you're going to allow the dumplings that you just put in to cook. You will know when they are cooked, and once they are cooked, the season that you had prepped before previously, you are going to add that seasoning to the pot and give it a stir, give it a mix, and cover to boil. Now you're just allowing this to boil and allow the gravy to simmer down a bit to get thickened. And now I'm adding some black pepper to the pot, and I'm also going to add some Maggi. And I choose to add the chicken Maggi because I wanted that flavor. You can add whichever Maggi you want or whichever season you want. Now I'm just wrapping up the pot because the gravy has boiled to the dimension that I wanted. So you can turn off your stove and serve now. So this is my finished look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And thanks for the 700 subscribers. I do appreciate it.